This video is going to explain how to complete an activity log for fitness walking class. As you see here, I am underneath modules on our Canvas fitness walking course. The first thing I want to point out is this assignment or this page will explain how to complete activity logs and the engagement requirement for the logs. At the bottom, it's important to recognize that we will have an RPE scale or rating of perceived exertion that you will use on each log. This means that you're going to rank your exercise by difficulty between 1 and 10. 1 being a very simple exercise to 10 being very difficult. If you need help finding workouts, you may use our resource module, which will take you back to this page. I was just here, and now I am here at Physical Activity Resources, and here are some free ideas to use for your workout. Moving down, we have 4 total units in fitness walking, and each unit has an activity log. Here's activity log 1. For activity log 1, it will give you directions, reminding you every 2 weeks you will need to complete at least 225 minutes of physical activity, and then it will have the link to the log. My suggestion is after you open it, you save it to your computer and save as activity log 1. My computer opened up the activity log within the Internet Explorer, so I'm going to click on download and open the file inside the Word document so I can edit and work within the file. At the top, you're going to hit enable editing, which then gives you the opportunity to type on the document. For an activity log, as I said, I would suggest saving it to your computer and then adding to it every day that you complete an activity. For example, today is the 25th, so I'm going to put 8/25. For my workout so far today, I'm going to put walking. My RPE or perceived exertion rate was at a 4, and total minutes 20. Now, as I continue through the week, I'm going to continue to add to my activity log. We'll just use another example. Let's say tomorrow I'm going to be hiking, and the hike will be at least a 6, and that is going to take me 60 minutes or an hour to complete. And so on and so forth. You'll continue to type as you go. At the bottom, please take the time to add up your total minutes. Right now, I only have 80. Again, I would not submit this until this number was at least 225. Or if it's the end of the 2 weeks and I have not met that, I would reach out to my teacher to see what I could do. And then the last part is you're going to answer the reflection questions. Make sure you complete this for full credit on this assignment. List 2 reasons why I chose the workout activities, what was my highest RPE level, and then what action steps can I take to maintain or increase my RPE. Again, the RPE is that graph that has the pictures of the smiley faces. And it's a 1 through 10, how difficult was your workout? The final part of this is to make sure I save as. I'm saving as activity log 1. Then when I go back to my assignment page, I will be able to choose a submission type, which I'm going to choose an upload because I am uploading my document. Pick the file. The file is activity log 1, so I will open that. I can check to make sure it's the correct one, type to make sure I have the correct typing on it, and then I'm going to go to submit assignment and get some confetti. Thank you for watching back this video today. If you have any questions, please reach out on Microsoft Teams. Thank you.